Today we have another trend alert for you with the Razor Toast to Darla TikTok trend. This trend focuses on celebrating the people and things you love the most and is inspired by the classic 1994 film Little Rascals. For this trend, people are lip syncing the famous scene from that film where Alfalfa confesses his love to Darla. And then you have a simple compilation of images of things that you love the most. And we're going to go through the exact steps of how you can create this trend using a free ready-to-use template. Not just that, but if you stick around to the end of the video, we'll be showing you how you can use this trend for your brand or business. So let's get into it. So for this trend, you're going to need some footage of you lip syncing the moment from that scene. It's really easy to do this. Just play the scene out loud and then you can go and lip sync along. You're also going to need 12 different images that you can use for the compilation to show the things that you love at the end of the trend. So once you have these assets, all you need to do is click the link in the description to the free ready-to-use template. Sign up for the free InVideo editor by just entering in a few details and clicking on sign up. And then from here, the template will be ready to start editing. You will see that the audio and the music is already synced in place. So you just need to drag and drop your footage into the scenes using the editor. And of course, you can trim your footage accordingly to make sure that your lips sync up with the audio. Once you are done with this, you can simply preview the video and then hit export, and the video is ready to start sharing on social media. So now let's go over some cool ways that you can use this trend for your business or brand. The first way that you can use this trend for your business is to display some different products from your brand. So for example, if you're a fashion brand, you can do the lip sync, but you can go and add some captions saying the t-shirts I love the most, and then you can add your brand name instead of Darla, and then you just have a compilation of some images from your brand. This is a fun and light-hearted way to use the trend to display some of your products. The second way that you can use this trend for your brand or business is if you run a service-based business. So for example, if you're a web designer, once again you can go and change the captions to the web designer I love the most, and then instead of putting Darla, you can go and put the name of your web design business or your own name as a freelancer. And then for the compilation images, you can show some images of websites you've created or any other type of thing that you've created for your service. If you have found this tutorial useful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and do let us know in the comments below what trend you'd like us to cover next. And also check out our playlist where we have compiled the top TikTok trends for 2021 with ready-to-use templates. This is Elliot with InVideo, and I'll see you in the next one.